Volcanoes have helped shape our planet. They provide life but also can take life away. Here's our list of the top 5 volcano eruptions caught on camera. At number 5, we have Mexico's Popocatépetl volcano, which erupted in 2013. Popocatépetl erupts every few years. Nearby residents have learned to stay well clear of this volcano. Last year, Mount Shindig erupted in Japan, which covered nearby towns in ash and dust for weeks. Luckily, the volcano is situated on an island, so most of the magma flowed safely into the ocean below. Turrialba volcano erupted also last year. No one was reported to have been killed, but nearby airports and facilities had to be shut down for days until the ash subsided. Please subscribe for more top 5 videos, or check out my previous top 5 video on oddly satisfying videos.